Hey everyone! If you're a backyard chicken keeper, the last thing you want is lice and mites bothering your flock. But did you know you can keep these pesky bugs away, naturally? Today, I'm sharing the best chemical-free methods to protect your chickens and coop from parasites. Let's jump in. Before we get into solutions, let's quickly cover the signs of lice and mites. If your chickens are scratching a lot, losing feathers, or have pale combs, you might have an infestation. You can also check under their wings and vent area for small crawling bugs or eggs. Now, let's talk about how to keep your flock pest-free, using all natural methods. Certain herbs naturally repel lice and mites. My go-to favorites are mint, lavender, rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Sprinkle them in the coop, nest boxes, and even mix some in their dust baths. Fresh or dried herbs both work. Chickens love dust baths, and adding food-grade diatomaceous earth, or DE, makes them even more effective. DE is a fine powder that dehydrates and kills mites on contact. Just mix a little into their dusting area. Wear a mask when applying DE to avoid inhaling fine particles. If you have a fireplace or fire pit, save that wood ash. It's packed with minerals and acts as a natural insect deterrent. Mix it with sand and dirt for the ultimate bug-fighting dust bath. Keeping your coop clean is key. Do a deep clean every month, replace bedding regularly, and sprinkle diatomaceous earth under roosts and in cracks where mites hide. Deep clean plus fresh bedding equals happy, healthy chickens. And for an extra boost, try a natural spray. Mix apple cider vinegar, garlic juice, and water in a spray bottle, and mist it around the coop weekly to keep pests away. So there you have it, a natural, chemical-free way to keep your chickens safe from lice and mites. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new chicken keeping tip. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite natural method for pest control?